Hey my dear friends, and welcome to another video. Today I will show you a easy strategy which I personally use. We will try to make $5,000 out of $50 with this strategy and a bit scalping. Let's step into it. The only indicator you need is the moving average. Select it and change the settings from 10 to 17. Also, you can change the color and the thickness of the line for a better view. Let's get started. For this strategy you just have to look at the last candle and the moving average line. If the trend is under the moving average line, like in this example, we are waiting for the candle to break the moving average. As you can see, the candle broke the moving average. So it's ready to get into this trade. We place the trade for 30 seconds and wait for the result. Perfect hit, we are in profit. Let me show you another example. In this situation I did not follow the moving average strategy, because I saw another opportunity. The green line above is the resistance line. This line helps us to see the market change. If the candle breaks the resistance line, then it will be a bullish situation this time. Let's wait and see. Break confirmed, trade placed. So let's wait for the result. Easy profit again this time. Next example. Here I saw another support line. There is no breakout yet, so that means it will support the trend and go up again. That's why I place a call trade. Easy profit again this time. Everything going well. The market has straight changed the direction and broke the support level. So I place a trade quickly to take profit. Very good. Profit again. This moment I saw the candle broke the moving average again, so I took the trade. Wow, we increased our balance again. Beautiful. Let's search for another opportunity to trade. Same example like before. Candle broke the moving average, so a call trade is confirmed. Let's wait again for the result. Profit, again. Unbelievable. Next confirmation again. We copy the strategy. Candle broke the moving average and going down. So we place a put trade. Nice, balance increased. Let's step into the last trade. Same as always. Wait for the candle to break the moving average, confirm the breakout and take the trade in down direction. Look, profit again. We made $5K out of $50 in just 9 trades. This strategy is so accurate, easy and without any headache. One indicator can make you profitable in trading. You can also make good profits if you join my free Telegram channel where I give you pocket option signals with a high accuracy. Link in bio. Tap in and don't miss the opportunity to make huge money. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and enjoy the strategy. I wish you a good and profitable day. Your 7C.